Hi guys, it's Shtuky and today I will show you what I bought for my kitchen for baking. And the most amazing stuff is siliconized mat, which you put on a table and you use to deal with your dough. I chose the most amazing one, blue color, because on this color it's very easy to see dough. Dough is white and blue color is very nice connecting. And also on this mat you do not see any unuseful information which will distract you from baking. So I will put a link from AliExpress where you can order such stuff. Next very useful item for any baker is whisk. I bought this siliconized whisk because it's not damaging any of your plates. It's very good, and also the size is very nice, amazing. You can do fast work with eggs or with liquid. So I like this very much, and also I will put the link in the description where you can order it at AliExpress. To cook with pleasure, you should not spare money for modern gadgets that improve our lives at the kitchen. I am so happy with my purchases and I'm waiting to use them. In my next video, I will prepare for you something amazing. I will cook pelmeni. Oh, this is so good. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye!